If you ever needed next to text to speech for your own business or content, you've probably seen Google Cloud TTS and ElevenLabs. Both are powerful, but they focus on different strengths. Google Cloud TTS is built for large systems, apps, IVRs, or chatbots. It's reliable, scalable, and sounds clean. But when you compare emotional tone and delivery, ElevenLabs just sounds more human. The voice have warmth, flow, and subtle emotion that really stand out in longer content or storytelling. When it comes to latency, both are fast, but ElevenLabs usually generates speech a bit quicker, especially noticeable in real-time narration or interactive content. Pricing wise, Google charges per character, while ElevenLabs uses tiered plans with generous credit limits, giving more flexibility if you're creating tools or lots of varied content. So if you're building a huge enterprise system, Google fits fine. But for creators, marketers, or small teams who want realistic voices that truly connect, ElevenLabs is the smarter pick. I've added a link below to ElevenLabs. It's the tool I personally recommend if you want the most reliable option.